Yes. So as I was saying you, this cloud computing is completely pay basis service. How much you use, for that only you will pay. For example, there are two person. For example, let's say like there are two person. One is using 512 GB, one is using 1 TB storage they require. Suppose there are two company. One is suppose Samsung and one is suppose Apple. Suppose they both are using Google Cloud, okay, GCP Cloud. Suppose they are using GCP Cloud, okay. So suppose they are using GCP Cloud. So in that case, suppose Apple requirement is 500 GB and Samsung requirement is 1 TB. Now, as you know, like Samsung requirement is 1 TB, Samsung will going to pay some amount to the Google company for this much storage of their data. Why do we save the data? Because we have a constraint of memory. And one more thing, that in your local system your hard disk can be fail or can be like not perform functioning, or sometimes it be possible that it can be crash also, right? But in cloud it never happens. You can save as many as data and you can recover your data also very easily. But in your hard disk, if it get fail or it get crash, you will lose all your data, or you will need to spend lot of money to recover those data. That's the reason that company they save their data on the cloud, so that they cannot lose it, because data are very important for the company, right? For banking, suppose if they save data on the hard disk and it get crashed, they will be the whole bank will get collapsed, right? How they manage that? They are using cloud service to save their data. They're saving their data on server. This Arogya Setu app, have you heard this Arogya Setu app? I might know, like you might be aware about it, all of you. This Arogya Setu app was deployed on AWS cloud. Why they have deployed it on AWS cloud? So that they can save the record of a COVID patient safely on the Amazon cloud. Storage means where they can save the data. Am I clear to all of you? Any question that you wanted to ask me, you can ask. Anything that you are not clear or you have a curious to know, please ask. Yes, yes, Tanmay, I'm recording the session and I will upload it in a channel also. From there, you can watch it. So the reason why I'm recording, so that you can, if anything is not clear, you can just watch it there. Once I discuss with institute, I will upload it. So as I said you that this is completely based on the requirement. So now Samsung is using 1 TB, so they will going to pay suppose $100 because they want 1 TB storage. Apple is 500, so suppose they will going to pay 50 GB. Sorry, $50. So as I said you, it is completely pay on service. How much service you use, based on that only you will going to pay to the cloud. Okay, whether it is Amazon cloud, GCP cloud, the Play Store, the Play Store that you see on your mobile, Android mobile, that is actually available on the Google Cloud. All those applications they are save on the Google Cloud, and with that you are getting an access. Are you getting like what this why you can see so many apps? Gmail service. Do you know Gmail service is also a cloud service that is completely free, where you can send the mail, you can see the mail, and Drive. Drive is also a storage, right? That is also a cloud service provided by Google. That there you can share the 15 GB of the data, right? So this is called as a GCP.